Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Monzo app black screen. So it is easy. Please watch the full videos. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Monzo app, then tap on app info option. Now tap on storage usage option on the top. And now tap on clear cache as well as clear data, and then tap on OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared, so close this app, and the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad, and then tap on search option in the bottom, and now tap on search bar on the top, and here search for Monzo, and then tap on OK, and here you will see update button option. So update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.